To fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000022 error on Windows 11, click in search, type cmd, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Here you need to type the following command, dism command, and then press enter. Wait until it reach 100%. After running this command, you need to run the second command, sfc scan now command, then press enter. After running scan now command, click on start and restart your PC and check if that helps you to fix your problem. If the problem still persists, right click on start, select run. Here you need to type appwiz.cpl, then press enter. Here you need to uninstall Microsoft Visual C++. After uninstalling Microsoft Visual C++, open any browser you have, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In address bar, you need to type Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and press enter. Make sure you select the same option. Now scroll down. Here you can see the download link. Select your option as per your bit version. If you have 32-bit version, then you have to select this one. If you have 64-bit version, then you have to select this one. I have mentioned the video link in the description. From there you can understand how to check your bit version. As I have 64-bit version, I'm selecting this one. Microsoft Visual C++ file, open it. Agree the terms and condition, then click on install. Click on yes and install the Microsoft Visual C++. After installing, click on start and restart your PC. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.